I am strong, and life will never get me down, because the harder I fall, the higher I bounce. Hello, welcome back to Math Time with Professor Prime, and I am your host as always, Professor Prime. So, that quote that I just read, that was a quote that I got on that paper from a friend. And you will just bear with me. I got that in this bag with this ball. So that is awesome, and I wanted to talk about all those things in this particular video. Side note, that bag has expanded. Like, I don't know how clearly you can see it, but it is Professor Prime's Infinite Bag of Tricks, which I did a video on, by the way, and you should definitely check that out. And if I remember to do it, I'll link that in this video. So, where to start? I got that all three from a friend, and I was going through a hard time, so it was a nice gift. And with the ball, like, we once used that, and we had fun and we played with that, so that was a pretty cool thing. And it's like multicolored, like I had before. Pretty cool. It has some serious bounce, but I'm in my apartment right now, so I'm not gonna bounce that because oh my god, it goes high. But yeah, it bounces high. It's pretty cool. And like the posted quote that I had, like I thought that was awesome too. Like, it was like right up my alley, and it was also hilarious because of the ball. So I'm like, haha, I see what you did there. And the bag was just shiny, and I like to keep stuff around in case I need it in the future, and later it would be transformed into Professor Prime's Infinite Bag of Tricks, which again I had a video of. You should check it out. I'm just being ridiculous throughout the entire video, and oh my god, I'm just having an absolute blast. So yeah, those are the three things that I wanted to talk about, because recently I've been like redecorating my apartment, and going through, throwing out what I don't want, keeping what I want, and posting some things up like I have here, as you can see behind me. So I wanted to post that. I originally had it on my refrigerator, and it was nice, but I'm like, hey, I want to put that on my wall, because it's nice to have over there in my corner, and also it can be in my videos now. But yeah, and I keep the ball, of course, use that when I want, and like I said, the bag, it houses a lot of different things down. So yeah, and I got that from an awesome friend during a hard time, so it was really nice. And that being said, I didn't want this video to be too long. I just wanted to explain why that was there and the story behind it, as well as my ball in the bag of tricks. The Infinite Bag of Tricks. Professor Prime's Infinite Bag of Tricks. I'll see you in the next one. Professor Prime out.